Here's the Frigidaire refrigerator here. It seems like this is an older model because the old Frigidaire logo. That's what it was designed back then. Here's the fridge part. Temperature controls the inside here. As you can see, light bulb works in it. You control the temperature here. There you go. And we got the model sticker over here. This is model FRS6HF6JW0. Manufactured May 2008. So this thing is around 17 years old now. I'll close that up. Here's the freezer part. Light bulb that's working there also. Ice maker's looking good. These controls here. Basic controls for the refrigerator there. Anyways, that is it.